Hi all, I am Bharati Lakshmi, Head and Assistant Professor of Information Technology, and in this module, let us have a look on the usage of ellipse tool, next is the polygon tool, and final is the basic shapes tool. So in this session, we must first start seeing about these shape tools. What are the shape tools and the properties of that shape tools, what are the things present in it, and on to this ellipse tool. So this ellipse tools also of two types, same as the rectangle. It is also same as the rectangle. It has this normal ellipse as well as 3-point ellipse. 3-point ellipse tool. So these are all the size, the drawing way, everything is same for the both ellipse and 3-point ellipse. And the property also, the size, location, angle of rotation, mirroring, hairline, properties are same. Except in addition to that, here it has the roundness. So see, the types of roundness will differ. It has these 3 points. That is, this select the pick tool, then select. If you want, this is default is ellipse. If you want to change it to pi, you can choose this. So this gives a pi. So what is the difference between pi and the next arc? So this pi will, what this pi will do is, this will eliminate a corner of the ellipse, but it will join. There will be a join between the two corners. But the arc, it won't give the joining point to the center. It won't give the joining point. So this is the difference between pi and the arc. And this is next coming is the starting and ending point of the arc, where the arc should start and where the arc should end. So default it will be, starting point will be 0 and the ending point will be 270. So if you want, you can change it off. See, this is, I am minimizing. So this will reshape your arc. If you want, you can change it off. Okay, right. And this is of the clockwise, whether you want this, in which angle you want this one. So anti-clockwise, in which position it will be in opposite. It will come in an opposite position. Okay, it will display in an opposite position. Okay, fine. This is of the property bar for ellipse. And see here, this 3-point ellipse also you have to click, drag it on the width point and release the mouse pointer. Then move it right or up or down wherever you want. The ellipse will be drawn. If you want a round shape for both the one I am saying, the for rectangle as well as the ellipse, the same one, what happens? You have to give the height and the width equal, then you will get the circle. Okay. Next we are going to focus on polygon tool. This is the polygon tool. This is also categorized into polygon, star shape, then complex star, graph paper tool and spiral tool. These are the varieties of the polygon tool. So this polygon gives the normal polygon of having difference from 3 to, this size varies from 3 corners to infinity of corners. We can change it off. And this gives the star symbol. This a complex star. Let us see the difference between these two. So first let us take on this polygon tool. So this polygon tool is same as, will be the same as everything. The property will be same as the rectangle or the ellipse tool, except this unique, it has only this number of sides varies. You can increase this number of sides. So if this number of side is reaches 32, it will give circle. More than that, it will give, you can give number of any number of sides, but more than that, it will give only the circle shape. And as well as the minimum number of sides you can use is 3. The minimum number of sides is 3. You can have the value 3. Less than this 3 you can't have, because that won't comes under the polygon. So you can, if you give 3 sides, it will give a triangle symbol. Okay, 32, above 32, it will be changed to the circle. This is all of the polygon tool. Then coming to this star tool. So this star tool also you can write on this. You can draw simply by clicking and dragging the mouse button. You can have note down. You will be the default sides will be 5. The property differs only of this the number of sides, and this the sharpness of the star. If you increase, see the center distance will be minimizing. If you are increasing it, the center distance will minimizing, that will sharpen the star. And if you decrease, the distance will be moving outerwards. So it moves outer. So what happens? The sharpness of star will be reduced. Next is this complex star. Let us move on to this complex star. The complex star, what it will give, how it differs is, see, this is complex star, it will draw. See, what is the difference between star and complex star? The star gives the outline of the star, whereas this is it fills the inner part of the star with the lines. Everything, all the sides, whatever, this also you can have sides. So default, the complex star sides will be 9. So there will be 9 sides. You can have 5 also. You can change it to 5 or whatever. The property is same as similar to your star. The same as the star, it is also similar. So you can have it as 9 or whatever you want. You can change the side. And this is the similar to the star. This is also the sharpness. So if you increase, it happens. So if you decrease, it will come. If you increase. So for this 9, if you have this 2 distance, you will get a perfect complex star. Okay. Next, let us move on to the graph tool, graph paper tool. So selecting the graph paper tool, you press here and drag the tool. So you will get like a graph paper. So it looks like a table. You can change you can increase or decrease your number of rows and columns. So you can decrease, and then if you draw, you will get. So this has only 1 row. So 1. So if I increase this and if I draw, I will get the. So after the setting up the number of rows and columns, you can drag. If we drag the mouse button, then you will get the graph paper object. Okay, next is the spiral. For the spiral also, this number of spirals will vary. So if I keep 10 and if I draw, you will get this 10 spirals. If I am having 5 and I am drawing, I will have 5. So default value is 4. So after having 4, I will get the spiral in this format. This is all about the polygon tools.